record on this computer. Okay. So I will share my screen now with all of you. Okay. Oh. Okay, this one.
Bajaj Finance.
See my screen, all of you?
Yes, Bajaj Finance, SBI, ICICI Bank.
Yeah, okay. So I will show you one more screen. I'll go very slowly so that all of you can understand, okay?
Yes.
Are you able to see the screen now? Reliance?
Yes, Reliance.
Okay. So, see, you know, you might have heard that in olden days, people used to use bhav. They used to tell bhav khata. They used to maintain everything in the in a big red book. You might have seen our finance minister last time carrying a book in a red color bag, and she was moving, right? So that is the process to maintain the data of the market. Okay, so on daily basis I will be capturing this data. Okay, now this bhav copy I will be having on a daily basis. Okay, now let's do one thing. Today's 20th April, right? Let's select all of them. And I'm coming to this page and I'm pasting all the data. I'm in a new page. Are you able to see my new page?
Yes.
Yes. So first of all, let's put a filter on it. Okay. Now, let me check the dates. Yeah, it's only 28th April, which is today's date. Okay. First of all, let me make you understand what are the things, what are the contents which I have in this headlines. Okay. The first is the symbol, means the name of the stocks. Okay. Then today, what was the opening price of the stock? How much high it went? How much low it went? What was its closing price and what was the last bidding price? What was its previous close, which means on 27th, how did it close? So if you look at it, you will see this is a formula which I've put into it, means my current price means this one, minus my previous close. So by this, I can understand what is the change which stock has made today. Was it positive? Was it negative? Something like that. Okay. Now, now let me come on this so that you can wait. Let me do one thing. View which pen. Okay. Okay. Because those doesn't have any day period, right? Okay. Let me check this one. Okay. See, this particular stock, it has opened on 1438. It has went high to 1548. It made a low of 1417. It closed at 1483. Huge volatile stock, this one. Okay. And last, the trading was 1483.95. Now, yesterday it closed at 422 and today it opened at 438. So the on a closing basis, it has made a high of 61 rupees. Yes or no? 61 points.
61 rupees.
Yeah, let's make it more interactive. Okay, so I will understand that you are on the same page with me. Okay?
Yes. Aarti sir.
Yeah, day period, you understand there is a calculation on a day period. Day period is nothing but open, high, low. Today's open, high, low, I will add all of them together. I will multiply it by 3. And then I will get an average price. And this average price is day period. Means it helps me to understand whether there is a strength in the stock for next tomorrow, means next day or upcoming 2 or 3 days. That's the main agenda.
Okay.
Okay, so if you check on a closing basis, close minus peer means yesterday's close, sorry, today's close and today's day period, there is a difference of 15 points, means the stock is very strong.
The stock is very strong.
Very strong in nature. Okay, now these are the criteria to judge this. Okay, and then the change in the percentage of the stock. Now there are so many stocks, we do not need to go and analyze all these stock, because I have a details of around, if you check, my screen is stopping you people to check, there are more than 3,000 stocks here. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I am going to wait, let me unfreeze this one so that I can move it. Okay, what I will do, this particular analysis is made on a volume basis. So first of all, I will come and I will put, see, largest to smallest, which means I want to see today which stock had huge volume. It can be buying, it can be selling, but there was huge volume, means people are interested in this stock. Yes or no?
Yes.
Correct. Okay. Now you can see we will be getting of stocks.
What does volume signify? Volume?
Volume means people, number of people.
Oh, volume means people.
Yeah, the quantity means how many. Okay, let me explain this one. Okay, yeah, right. Let me explain this one. Yeah, fine. I need to make you understand. Okay, good. You recalled me. Okay, let me put some commas so that you can understand the numbers properly. Okay. Okay, now see, let me
Bajaj Finance. Oof.
Yeah, let me make it hide the column for a couple of minutes. Okay, now you see today the traded quantity means, for example, sir, you have taken 50 pieces, right? Madam has taken 100 pieces. So what will be the number of quantity? 150.
150 pieces.
Yeah, in this manner, there was 85,76,454 quantities has been traded today.
Wow.
Okay, and the number of people, the volume, the participants, like you, me, two people, you, me, two people, madam, three people, Swati, four people, like that. The volume was around, I think it's crores, 44 crores, 24 lakhs.
The number of people who were involved in buying and selling.
Correct. Exactly correct. Okay. Now, this is the volume. I think it's more than 44 crore. Okay. And total number of trades. Trade means buying and selling.
Oh, trade means buying and selling.
Buying and selling. Volume is same like buying and selling, but number of people.
Okay.
Who were involved in buying and selling. And this is the process of buying and selling. Means today, say madam would have bought today SBI. Madam would have bought today Kotak Bank. So how many trades madam has taken today? 2 trades?
2 trades, yes.
Correct. Yes. So similarly, but the volume is the number of trades, total number of quantity is the number of stocks.
Oh, the total number
volume is the number of people participates in the process, and trades is the number of people who enter into the stock. Maybe I might have entered 2 or 3 times in the stock.
Okay.
Maybe I have bought it in the morning, I sold it after 10 o'clock. I have seen there is a strength in the stock. Again, I have entered, right? That's the number of trades. Clear? So if we analyze this one, then we can easily identify that today there is a huge volume in Bajaj Finance. Volume-wise. So in this manner, let's select 10 stocks. Okay. So where is my 10 ends? 10 here. Okay. So from here, let me straight away delete them. I don't, because For a day or two, I cannot monitor more than 3 or 4 stocks, because in this also I will again put one more filter. Now we have 10 quantity of stocks which has a good amount of volume, decent amount of volume, I would call it, rather than saying good. Okay. Now see, Bajaj Finance, what was the day period difference? 234. What is the change? 8%. What is the Axis Bank volume? Axis Bank day period is only 5 rupees. But what is the percentage change today?
1%.
1%. Means volume was there, but the stock could not move. Okay. So we can keep this in our radar, that people are interested in buying and selling. Maybe for some or the other reason, the stock has not moved. Maybe selling pressure were equivalent. Maybe people was not interested to carry forward due to uncertain situation. So they might have booked the profit today itself. Okay. So we will avoid these stocks. 1% we don't need. Okay. Then comes TVS Motor. TVS Motor is a huge volatile. As I know, I don't need that. Fine. Now SBI is stable. SBI day minus period is 4 rupees, percentage is 3%. Oh, thus 3% is good enough, and a stock price of 357. I will keep this. ICICI Bank is a good bank. This has a movement of 15 rupees and the percentage change is 3%. I will keep this. Tata Steel, HDFC Bank. Yeah, Tata Steel I don't need because close minus period is negative. Although there is a volume, but it was not able to perform. So he is not a candidate for me for tomorrow. I will delete it.
Okay.
HDFC Bank has 38 points up and close minus, 38 points up, close minus period is 28. So it was able to trade way above the day period. And the change of the percentage is 3%. I will do. Reliance and Tata Motors, although they are good, but for next 2 or 3 days, I am not interested. So as I am not interested, it doesn't mean that stock will not perform. Definitely stock will perform. They might perform, but my criteria doesn't fit here. So I will not select these 2 stocks.
Okay.
So Bajaj Finserv, yeah, it has a close minus period 166, percentage of change is 4%. So now for tomorrow, my focus would be on these 5 stocks. So first thing tomorrow I need to do in my watch list is that I need to keep these 5 stocks in front of me. I will try to find an opportunity in this 5 stocks so that I can earn 15 to 20 points instantly, maybe in a matter of 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. Okay.
Okay.
Up to this, am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. So what is the process I have taken? My criteria is first criteria.
Volume.
Close minus period should be more
Positive.
Change a percentage, there should be minimum of 3 to 8%.
Should I write it down?
Of course you can. I will send this recording also because this is very important.
Oh, record is no. Okay.
3%. Traded quantity, traded volume. So what have I messed here? Traded volume plus percentage plus close minus period. Close minus period. So all these 3 things is giving me a recommendation to observe the stocks for tomorrow. 3 indication I got. Now, if you go in this manner, see, it might be if you take 10 strategy in the same manner, you might lose in 3, but definitely you will win on 7. Now, what is the next parameter we need to check? Along with this, tomorrow when you get into the stock, get into trading, you need to check the resistance and support of these stocks. We will come to it in some time, means how to check that. Okay. Now, let's do one thing. Now, this particular stock, again, I have to copy and I have to take in one more other file, which I'll share with you people again. Wait. This one, where is my Bhav copy? Yes. Are you able to see my daily volume?
Yes.
Correct. So I have already actually copied it from my last class. I actually did it because I was seeing some buying, means not a reasonable buying in the client's portfolio. So I thought of taking this class today. Okay, fine. Now we will alter to, we will toggle in this to page to justify if we are right or wrong. Okay. So first of all, now we have taken all these five. Now these five stocks we have taken for tomorrow. Yes or no?
Yes.
But what have I done yesterday? Yesterday on 27th April, which are the stocks was in my radar? Let's check.
Okay.
Okay, 20. This is 27th, right? See, 27th, which are the stock was in my radar. Very interesting. Now,
Oh.
now we will analyze. We will analyze. Okay, we will analyze. Just see live. I will be showing. Okay, when I toggle between daily volume to Bhav copy, are you able to see my both the screen?
Yes. Yes.
That's a good. That's good. That's good. Okay, now you see. First, let's start with Axis Bank. Okay. Okay. Now you just check here. What was the 26th? This is 27. So previous close is 26.
700.
What was the price which this stock has closed yesterday?
700.45.
0.445, right? On 26, it has closed at 700.45, right? Okay. So say you might have come to know by 3 o'clock that the day period is high in this stock, okay? And you have a decent amount of volume in this stock. So you're going to decide that stock. What happens today? Let's see. We have gone to Bhav copy. We have come here. We will put here Axis Bank. We'll say okay. I have used data, so it will take some time.
Yeah.
What it has done today morning? How?
It has opened gap up.
Gap up. Because as per our strategy, it is supposed to open gap up.
Okay.
8 rupees difference you got overnight. Okay. For some reason you didn't take the BTST call, but you know there was a huge volume in Axis Bank yesterday. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. Then immediately you have seen that the stock has come to 688. Low means you know this stock has a volume. Maybe for some reason it has come down. I keep an eye on this stock if it is making a support or not. So now let me check whether it has made support or not. How to judge this stock in today? Say I am on 27th morning. How will I play this market? See, where is my Google? Yeah, this one screen. Okay. Are you able to see my trading view?
Yes. It's still.
Revolving, yeah. Okay. In place of Bajaj Finance, let me write Axis Bank. This is the data of Axis Bank, right? Today is 28. 28, it has started from here, right? This is the gap. See, it has fallen here, right?
Yes.
688.
Yes.
It made high. Again, it has fallen here. This is bottom. So there is a strategy called double bottom and W pattern. So first of all, if you are, if you know this double bottom pattern, if you are risk taker, if you want to take risk, you can take position in this zone. There is a support in this zone. If you are conservative trader, means you don't want to take risk, your entry point would have been this place. So your stop loss would be this one. See, entry is here. You can take entry to this zone, and this you can keep it as a stop loss of 3 to 4 rupees or maybe 1 rupee. Because if it breaks this zone again, it will again fall. It cannot go up. 10, 9 out of 8 out of 10 times it will fall if it is breaking this support zone. This zone, this line which I'm showing, this zone it should not break. In W pattern, we should always enter once it breaks this one, it holds, it opens gap up, that too with a decent amount of volume. If you see the volume, there is a volume. There is a volume, see green volume. So this makes me more comfortable that I can take a position on this. Now, if you take position on this 694, it is given 612. Enough no for today, around 18 rupees. Buy in with your own money. If it doesn't work out, let it hold. If it works out, 20 rupees, 50 stocks, 600 come out. Pocket expense. That's all. With strategy, without risking the money. Strategy without risking the money. Now let me again make it Bajaj Finance. We will come to this also. Okay. Now again share. Let me go back to that page. Equity Bhav Copy. So here, yeah, here we have seen that our this strategy has given us this volume strategy has actually made me profit in Axis Bank. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Now, what is my second one? Tata Steel, right?
Tata Steel.
What Tata Steel has done today? Let's see. Let me write here Tata Steel. We'll check all the 5. Which one is correct? What was the closing previous close? 977. How much it opened?
Open 985.
Enough, no? If you would have taken yesterday also, you would have gone, right? You come out at this price.
Yes, gap up.
Gap up. Here also you got 10 to 12 rupees if you would have taken yesterday. Come out. Say for example, you have not come out. Okay, you got loss here. Fine. Let me accept that you got a loss here. This Tata Steel is unsuccessful. Then let's go to Reliance. Let's see. Because yesterday we have selected around 10 stocks, right? With good percentage of volume and all this stuff. Okay, Reliance. Now let me check Reliance. What has happened to Reliance? What was the previous close of Reliance?
1988.
What is the opening balance of today?
1997.
What is the high it has made?
9 rupees. Nearly 10 rupees.
More than that. Gap up is itself 10 rupees, but high?
High 2008.
So it's already 20 rupees, right?
20 rupees.
So what happens if your Tata Steel goes wrong? You had Axis of around 20 rupees. You have Reliance 20 rupees.
Yes.
Now let me check SBIN, State Bank of India. What was the previous close of SBIN?
353.
What is the open gap up?
357.
What is the high?
364.
You already got right for 13, 14 rupees.
Yes.
Done, no? You buy today because you know it has open gap up, it has strength, and the sentiment of bank is positive. You go and buy. Here also we got around how many rupees? 57, 53 to say you bought it at 57 only. Today only you bought.
Yes.
64. Still you have 7 rupees, right? Right. Now next Adani Port. Let me see what it has done. Adani Port. What was the previous close?
743.
What is the today's gap up?
755.
High is 760, right?
760, yes.
Still you are in profit in this also? Almost 15 rupees.
15 rupees, yes.
Now come to this one, Hindalco. Hindalco, what was yesterday's close?
362.
What's today's high? Open and high 368.
368.
Good amount, right?
Yes.
This also gap up. Fine. SDFC Bank. What was the previous close?
1476.
It opened how much? Low.
Low.
Right.
Yes.
What it has done?
Oh, high it made
My apology. Yesterday close was
so 1438. 1438.
1438. What was today's open?
1436.
Then what it has done?
1479.
1479.
878. 41 points.
41 points. Enough.
Hmm.
Then you have ICICI Bank.
Hmm.
ICICI Bank. What was the previous close?
598.
What's the open and what's the today's high?
622.
Enough, no? 22 rupees.
Yes.
Correct.
Hmm.
So if you check my yesterday's analysis, today only you would have made around 100 points. If you shares means 10,000. Now Bajaj Finance is a what to say? It's beyond, because A 30% of profit yesterday. Second, top volume maker. Third, the rest is history. You see what Bajaj Finance has done today. See, previous close 4865. What's the 4915?
4915.
5310.
400 points.
415 points. Do you need anything more?
No.
So today itself, I have given you around 40,000 with low risk. 100 piece minimum, I think you can aram se buy the amount which you are keeping in your account.
Yes.
What happened? I'll tell you. This is one psychology, how it works. We will be giving you the calls, but still you will not get the confidence, and you will feel whatever you are seeing is giving you more profit, because whatever you are seeing has already happened.
Yes, it's past.
It's past. So you might have experienced in your career also, right? You give them some tablets, they come up with their own analysis and they tell that I have taken this combination, that combination. Then why do they need you first of all if they can treat themselves by themselves only, right?
Yes.
So same here also. Here also we are the doctor of finance. We know how to safeguard your capital. The way, if we get fever, we take some Dolo 650 or something on a temporary basis and we feel that we can manage everything. Similarly, if you feel that you can take care of 1 or 2 calls and it will give you, trust me, someday it will be a huge failure. I have experienced myself in my life n number of times. So I am sharing my experience with all my customers. I'm not teaching anyone. Okay, now you come here and you see the next option, JSW Steel. What was the previous close?
665.
What's today's high? 676.
676.
So have you seen a single stock actually giving you a loss here?
No.
No. Okay. Now you might be saying, sir, एक दिन तो आपका लग गया लॉटरी. ठीक है, एक दिन लग गया. हम randomly देखते हैं ना. हम देखते हैं ना 26 में क्या हुआ है. 26 was a bad day, right? हम देखते हैं. किसको देखेंगे बोलिए? रिलायंस. यहाँ पर भी चार. हम रिलायंस को देखते हैं. चलिए. यहाँ पर मुझे एक करेक्शन करना पड़ेगा कि have we selected the date here? No, na? Do not filter on the date, timestamp. Date here. No, first I need to select the date. Otherwise, it will give me wrong data. Let me unselect 28 and select 27. Yeah. Now we come in, say Reliance. See, what was the previous close?
1937.
37. What was the open?
1990.
Done, no?
Yes.
Huge gap up, right? So this is just why what I wanted to show you is that there are strategies which actually works for you 8 out of 10 times. And
Okay.
you can really go into the market with certain strategies. Trust me, you are not going to lose money in a longer period of time. See, there will be people who will be sharing me this screenshot. Today, one person has shared a screenshot with me. He said, I earned 90,000 today. I said, good, very good. Can you tell me how much you lost in last couple of months? Then he didn't answer me. Okay. I said, how much money you risked today? I have used this much amount. I said, so is it fair to use such a huge amount and buy stock? You are buying 3,000 quantity stocks, is going up by 20-30 rupees, you are earning 90,000. What if it goes wrong?
Yes.
So they feel that too they are feeling proud, saying that I am opening, see, yeah, I have earned. This is my call. So one or the other day they will lose everything. That's for sure. Okay. Now, this is one more report which we will be seeing. See, we will be capturing. See, on a daily basis, n number of data we have 8 to 9, 10 months. See, every day we will compare what was the volume traded in crores. Just for a time being, I'll put here comma and you see. If you see this parameter, you will understand what scenario Nifty is going through. 23rd April, it was 65 crore. 26th April, 64 crore. 27 April, 65 crore. If you make this 3 days average, you will come to know that on an average, it has maintained above 60, which means today there is something big going to happen in the market. So traded value today is 74. Traded quantity in lakhs. You see, on an average, it is maintained above 24. So 25. Number of trades on an average, this is entire Nifty. Nifty 50, all the 50 companies. On average, it has maintained 1.8 lakh, 1.1 lakh 88 some crores or something like that. Today is 2. Market capitalization has also increased today. And you see, we have the index, the closing index was 1.44% up as compared to the previous closing index. Then also we monitor what FI means an institution investor.
Yes.
DI means domestic institution investor. See how they move. Why today we went high? Because they purchased. See, even we are purchasing and they are selling, we cannot go high. But today they just participated in our rally and we made a wonder. We have not seen any profit booking in the market today. To say it in a proper way, there was no profit booking. The market.
Oh, sorry to interrupt you, Vishweta.
Ah.
Today, in the second half, you had told na the market is in overbought zone. So please be careful while making a new entry. So how do you assess this, that whether it is in overbought or oversold?
RSI, Relative Strength Index.
Okay.
RSI helps me. RSI, anything above 80 is an overbought zone for us.
Okay.
And if you see, last end of the day, there was a selling of 50-60 points.
Oh, Vishweta, sorry to interrupt you. I am having a phone call. Huh?
Yeah, sure.
Just give me a minute.
Okay. I'll mute it.
Oh, yes, Vishweta.
Yeah, okay, fine. So, this, see, you can see even we are tracking on and this data I share in the group every day. So today, as I have taken the class, it will help you people to understand how to read this data.
Okay.
Clear? So there are many other reports which we monitor. We monitor in sector wise on daily basis what this market has done. See, it's Nifty index, Nifty auto, Nifty metal, how they are moving on a month or day on day. So this gives us see, all the sector cannot go positive together. See, now we are seeing a mute movement in pharma industry. None of the pharma stocks are moving, but see, Dr. Reddy has taken the entire contract of Sputnik vaccination, right?
Yes.
Today again, Cipla has got some, I cannot pronounce also, it's very tough. Some composition they have got, they will be doing the marketing. Then
Yes.
Cadila Health, Cadila Health, Covaxin. So can you imagine going in next 1 year, what kind of profit these companies are going to generate? So we need to focus. If we really have a money, we need to create a pharma portfolio, which will be consisting of Davis Lab, Dr. Reddy, Cipla, Lupin, Cadila. These 5 stocks, if you keep in your bucket, trust me, next 1 year, you see the change in your capital. Enough. And moreover, one interesting thing in the market is that now, due to some COVID issues and China issues, we are encouraging, our government is encouraging the pharma company to open their own oxygen plant, own manufacturing sector in India itself. Yes. Good news, right? Yes. So this is how we need to assess. We should not think in next 1 week how much money we are going to earn. We should think, if I'm keeping my money 1 lakh, 2 lakhs or 5 lakhs in a bank over a period of year for as a FD, I'll be getting only 6,000 maybe in lakhs. Yes. How much we will be getting? 6%. How much we'll be getting from this investment? See, if you get 14 to 15% year on year, think after 10 years what compounding you are doing to your wealth. Even your becoming 40, 50 lakhs. Correct. Yes. But you have to analyze the upcoming situation. See, stock market is of conviction, not of prediction. I am not predicting anything. I am giving a conviction based on facts. Now, after all these things, if my pharma package, because as a package, I'll be investing, right? If my pharma package doesn't move up, that's a secondary thing. I don't regret. But it's impossible. People will be buying the vaccination today or tomorrow. They will be using the vaccination. The government, the corporate people are encouraging the big companies so that they can bear the cost in behalf of employees. See, Info itself a huge, TCS, HCL Tech, they are sponsoring the vaccination. Means they are paying, right? So, and again, there is one more sector which is going to go digitally, that's IT sector. Every work from home, low cost, then digitalization, everything is digitalization now. What can keep the IT sector mute? It is the increase of corporate tax in USA. The day they announce the increment, how much they are going to increase, that day US market will fall. Next very morning we will fall, and that fall you people should buy the goods. You just watch the volume previous day. I will tell at night itself or maybe morning, see US corporate taxes increased. Definitely our IT sector will fall. This is not time to panic, time to accumulate. Because understand one thing, increasing of corporate tax is only possible when there is a profit in the industry, IT industry company. Point number one. Point two, along with the corporate tax, if the interest rate also increases in USA, then we can see a correction of around 1,000 to 2,000 points. Otherwise, it is not possible. Because government has released again stimulus package. So there is money in the system. You need to have these basic fair ideas of the market. Then trust me, there is nothing like earning from the share market. Share market is a business. My request to my respected clients, please do it as a business. Do not do it as a gamble. Do not trade without proper knowledge. Invest with your own money, hard-earned money. You are going to make wonders after 20 years. See, my basic funda is, as of now, I am capable of earning a good amount of money for my daily lives, which is enough for me. Now, parallelly, if I can make my money work, then after 50, 60 years, when I will not be able to work, the money will be already appreciating my surplus fund, and it will give me a very relaxed state of mind. That should be our motto. That should be our agenda. It's very easy to go towards all this call. आज उसने बना दिया 60 रुपया, उसने बना दिया 80,000. It doesn't happen like that. अगर ऐसा होता ना, हर एरिया में एक शेयर मार्केट का ऑफिस होता. So these are the things which I wanted to share with you people, so that I can see I have 8 to 10 prime customers who has minimum amount, who has kept 5 lakhs in the account. Now, to be honest with you, they are my asset. So if I can help them to increase that, they will also understand what is investment. Otherwise, they will also they will tell, no, share market is not good. It's we will lose money. But we have a process to do the business. See, even if you people have become doctors, it is after studying 20 years, right? Or maybe 25 years or 22 years. So similarly, without studying the market also, we cannot generate income of lakhs rupees in a month, right? So with this, I'll be closing today's session. If you have any question, any doubt from the entire whatever teaching has gone, please do ask me. I will be happy to explain you people anything which is not understood by you.
No, it was really enlightening. Today's session was a very good session. You could understand in simple ways how to pick winning stocks and how to look for while picking stocks, what to look. So, Vishweda, thank you. So next time also, can we do it in Zoom class only or what?
Yeah, we will be doing. I think Zoom is giving more better version than coming here during COVID, right?
Yes, yes. During
Actually,
COVID
I
time, it
am
is
more
better.
convenient in. I am more. I am comfortable in online. I can. The way I will take the class, you will not even feel that you are not in front of me.
Yes, yes, yes. This is really very good and interactive. No, you are presenting the slides to us in our
Yeah.
laptop, so you can just really appreciate it, what is going on.
Thank
So
you.
whenever we think of taking a trade, we
Hmm.
should. So the take-home message is we should look at the volumes.
Yes, of course, because how crowd is behaving with this stock.
Okay, how much people are interested? No.
Yeah, number one. Number two, what day period? Day period is a simple calculation, open, high, low, divided by 3.
Okay.
Weighted
Open,
average,
high,
which we
low,
can call
divided
it.
by.
Yeah,
Okay.
true. These two things. Then what's the percentage? See, if a particular stock is generating volume on consecutive 2 days, third day, you can see some movement on that. See, positive volume accumulation is a good sign in a stock.
Okay.
How do you understand whether it's a positive or negative? Go to your Motilal app, you open a chart, just open the volume. You will be able to understand today there was a negative volume participation or positive volume participation. It will be green and red.
Oh, in the Motilal app itself, it's written.
Yeah, it's there.
Oh, active by volume, active by volume.
Correct. Active by volume. No, here you cannot see. Here active by volume means you will not understand whether it's a positive volume or negative volume. But
Oh,
go to the chart, and if you watch that chart, you will be definitely understanding that it's a active or positive or negative. So one day what I will do, I will take a class maybe tomorrow if you join, because you take 2 hours class, no? So
yes, yes.
yeah, tomorrow if we join,
Okay.
we will be, yeah, I will be walking you through the Motilal Investor app. Sorry, online app means the app which is used in the desktop. How to read the chart, how to understand. There are many, technical tools, but you don't need many. 4 or 5 technical tools I'll teach you, and you will be
Yes,
able to monitor that. But
yes.
without analyzing, do not buy. You might be buying at a wrong point.
Okay.
And we might see some correction in the market. So see, if I see today US market is in negative. So maybe by tomorrow morning, if the US market sentiment doesn't change to positive, we are going to open gap down. Before the market
Tomorrow.
starts, before the market starts, I will alert you whether it's a gap down or gap up. But since we have a strength in the market and the lockdown situation is already discounted in the stock market, we will not see a fall more than 200. We should not see. So 700
Okay.
good support until and unless some huge bad news comes to us, which should not be. We are seeing, I have seen one news which is running on my screen, which says that the vaccination which was supposed to start from May 1, from age of 18, that will not start due to shortage. Now, if this news is going to get confirmed, then people will again panic that we might go into a lockdown for another 1 month, because Mumbai has extended till 15th of May, right?
Okay.
Now, if we do not get the vaccine available, then definitely our lockdown has to increase, because that's the only way to break the chain.
Yes.
So we need to see investing in a share market is a permutation combination of many factors. Just looking at one, we cannot go and bid into it and lose our hard-earned money. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
That's the message. Hope this message will be taken. And I don't see any wrong stocks in the, and if I see also, I will recommend. Then if you do not sell them, then consequences happens, means I will be feeling sorry to hear that. Okay, so please check out. I will keep on giving an update on the stocks you also purchase.
Okay.
Whatever list I'm sharing, that those lists are only based on my recommendation.
Okay.
There's other stock also which you people are also taking, which I am not adding there, so that you people do not get confused. You will get to know what is happening with my and even during the day without highlighting the name, because with number no one can identify who is what.
Yes, number to no one can identify.
But you will be knowing your number.
Yes.
So that way you will be able to understand, right? Oh, my portfolio, see, till yesterday your portfolio was at red. Today it has shown 5,000 profit in the morning.
Yes.
On a basis, right? Madam's portfolio has shown a profit. Okay.
Yes.
So I will help you people to build the investment. See, 50,000 you people can keep aside, which you use as per your risk. Yourself.
Yes.
The main amount, you do not go and invest entire thing.
Yes, of course.
At any given point of time, 30% should be there.
That is what Vishweta, Priyanka is telling me. She has deposited 5 lakhs in her account. So if
Today.
market corrects or if there is a correction in the market, you can buy on her behalf.
Okay, fine. Let me understand one thing. Okay, I'll stop the recording just a second.